That went a little longer than I anticipated. I'm going to say this last point and I'm going to go before they say amen there. You guys don't understand? No. She asked, where is the truth hidden? I laughed, not because she asked, but because as I'm living, I'm learning the truth is hidden everywhere. Literally everywhere. In fact, there is no place you can scour, search, or visit except the truth is in it. The truth is hidden, even the question, where is the truth hidden? In truth, the truth isn't hidden. It can't be hidden. It is the true and living. Those that are seeking to hide the truth try to convince me and you that they hid it, but they didn't. It is not that the truth isn't being spoken, we are just not ready to listen. Certainly, we are not ready to listen. And you may be at home in my poem, and if not, you may just visit. And if you can't visit, maybe you shouldn't listen. I mean, my poetry ain't for everyone. It's no navy blue, Yankee fitted. In fact, it's highly acidic, enough to burn through the mind of a critic. Why be a cynic? When we're moving beyond the speed of light, there is no difference between time and distance. Such I'm both here and there in the same instant. For instance, I'm both man and infant. I'm both devil and angel. I'm both the witness and the witness, both monk and misfit. I am the medicine and this sick. If you would like to know what the truth is, and I wrote the answers with the axis of the seven senses, and I told sis, hold this close to your heart and to your soul, sit still when the summer solstice. She said, I can't keep my soul still, it's hard to hold my focus. She asked me, how do I know what my goal is? And I said, I don't. How does one save the souls of the soulless? An eviction notice stapled to the heart of the heedless, souls left homeless, no place to reside in, so they hide out and slide in the bodies of two-eyed men. So my lyricism is an exercise in exorcism, but the exoteric call it esotericism. I learned jihad from Rumi. The Sunni call me Shia, the Shia call me Sufi. The feds that have WMDs for what I do with the loose leaf, because what I do with the loose leaf make devils lose sleep. And I don't care who's on whose beam. I follow the one who ascended the seven heavens and lands on 2 feet. And it may be too deep, but it is only by his light that you can see through me. And if by his light we have sight, then what is the meaning of day and what is the meaning of night? And I would like not to say that I'm living at night, but I'm living very late. Awesome. Rough translation, I'm a loser. I aim to block his light that claim to follow his sunnah. The truth is, I wish I could sing, so I can mask the bitter truth with sweet melody. Unfortunately for both you and me, I only know how to speak straight, with direct diction that doesn't allow for mistakes. She said, but you speak so whole while the beat breaks. It's so ill, it's so real. I said, it's so real, but I'm so fake. She said, but you sound so sure. I said, Ma, that's the point, I'm not sure. I'm barely afloat in the sea without shore. And if you've seen what I saw, then you would certainly know that certainty without flaw is often delusion and no certainty at all. And when it is certainly certainty, it is like the drunken monk, a man someone is scared looking at any moment he will fall. But she never falls. And at that moment, she paused and began to recite Vagabond. I was surprised she nearly memorized the whole poem. She said, if I'm a traveler in this world, then where do I find home? I say, keep your nose to the grindstone. Tell your mind to never mind the unknown. This is why I rhyme that the Spirit of God is in my poem, because in the beginning, there was the Word. And before that, there was the unheard, the unseen. There is nothing past but the present. There is nothing past the past but the present. Just as the moon begins with the crescent, it seems that way, but in that there is the lesson. The whole moon's always present. 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 The whole moon's always present.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to give a round of applause for Amir Sulaiman.